Welcome back to my channel again. In this class, we are going to study about one of the sense organ, that is tongue. Tunga. The tongue is a muscular organ in our mouth. It is used for tasting food substances. The taste of food is detected by the taste buds in the papillae of the tongue. There are mainly four taste sensations located on specific areas of the tongue. The posterior part of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste, the tip is sensitive to sweet and salty, and the sides are sensitive to sour taste. Beside tasting the foods, the tongue is also used for licking, swallowing, and articulating speech. So, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you in the next video. Thank you.